First time I'm making this ramen and eating. Oh, let's see how it will go. Okay, it's going to be 5 minutes and another 30 seconds, and I will drain this water out. Okay, very good. Listen. Perfect. Let's add this seasoning oil and what is this seasoning mix? What is it written? Geki hot and spicy. Okay, let's hope it. Okay, so back and mix it. Oh, looking delicious. Nice, interesting. Ooh, wow. And here this is. Okay, let's make one half boiled. Yes. Okay, this is ready. Nice, lovely. Wow, let's quickly make and a half boil. In the half boil goes in like this. Let me show you. Lovely. Nice. Wait, what is this? Geki hot and spicy Korean veg flavor. Okay, done. Okay, here is the egg. Okay, let's eat it. Nice.